So anyway, guys, there's the sea bay. All right, strainer's out. Cover's off. As you see, it's an O-ring in it. All right, so now we'll clean all this off and put it back, pretty much. That's not too bad. I've seen them a lot worse. We used to go into a place called Coney Yacht back in the day, and you pull the strainer out like this and be covered with fish, right? So anyway, that's a sea bay strainer. Now he'll blow air. We're trying to minimize the water in the bilge. So that's that. And then I will show you when we put it back, guys. I did have it from the start, but I don't know what's going on with my phone. It all went away. Anyway, that's the sea bay out. I'll show you when she goes back in. As you see, we're blowing it out. Now we'll clean all that up. All the garbage in the bottom, that'll be thrown back over the side. That's where it goes. Well, we got some fish for sale if anybody's interested. It's, I don't know how old, but that's normal. You come in through the hole, right? There's a screen on the outside of the cargo hole, or on the side of the ship that prevents a lot of stuff from coming through, right? So, that's the strainer back. Not in quite properly yet. Oh, she's high. There we go. Now we'll put the cover back on. Make sure the O-ring's where it should be. And then that's it for the sea bay. Okay. We're good.
Hey, what's up with it?
Now, we just got to make sure she lines up, which looks pretty good right about there. So, that's Mr. Nikolai putting the first one on. And to Nikolai's buddies, I'm not a mean guy.
A few seconds per day.
So that's pretty much it for the sea bay, guys. Now on to caustic.